Hey there, it's Steve.
And Courtney.
From Serious Keto, and what do we have in front of us?
ChocZero.
Yes, I have a goodie bag from ChocZero. I didn't send you any ChocZero stuff when you were in the Army, I don't think. Or did I?
The chocolate hazelnut spread.
Oh, all right. Well, I'll let you do the honors of opening this to see what we're going to review in this video.
Okay, first up we have peanut butter cups.
And it's peanut butter cups, right? Because it's actually...
Peanut butter coated peanut butter cups.
Yes, so not chocolate coated.
Okay, I've never heard of. Peanut butter baking chips.
So I think that may present a cookie opportunity because I really want to get a good peanut butter cookie. And I've been working with this company that makes lupini flour. They're called Aviate. And I think their flour, maybe with a little almond flour, I still couldn't quite get it where I wanted it. I felt it wasn't peanut buttery enough. This could be the thing that pushes it over the edge.
Awesome. See a trend? White chocolate hazelnut spread.
Yeah,
I've never heard of that either. They're like finding new things.
I knew you'd be excited about that one.
Yes. And double dipped almonds, milk chocolate. So they're dipped in coconut
Yes.
and then chocolate. Wow.
So
this all sounds super delicious to me.
yeah, where should we start?
Let's start with the peanut butter.
Okay. So we have a total of 11 grams of carbs in 2 cups. So serving size, 2
I like
cups.
that. 2 cups.
10 grams of that is dietary fiber for a net 1 gram of carbs. Now, what do we...
Dextrin is the number 1 ingredient.
It's a non-GMO resistant dextrin. So it's really a fiber is what that is. Then we've got some peanuts. It says coconut oil, cocoa butter, sea salt, monk fruit.
Palm fruit oil you didn't mention.
Oh, sorry, palm fruit oil, xanthan gum, guar gum. So this does not have the, what was that one ingredient that some people...
Soluble corn fiber.
Yeah, I think soluble corn fiber. Some people have an issue with that. It's anecdotally, I would say, based on comments that I get from people, maybe 10% of people that say they try ChocZero and it impacts their blood glucose. And I think that that is due to the soluble corn fiber. That's my belief.
They're individually wrapped.
Yeah. Looks like they're about the size of the Reese's Minis.
And it has nutrition facts on single ones too.
So mine got squashed a little bit. Now, when you do order from ChocZero, they ship it with some ice packs in it, but I have found that the ice packs rarely survive when they make it to me. So just be aware if you're ordering and these are going to be sitting out on your porch or something like that, and it's really hot, like it is right now in Wisconsin, you may wind up with some melted food. That is so good.
So creamy.
And it's like you're getting 2 different types of peanut butter.
Yeah.
You get the type that's like Reese's, but then you get the type, I'm not sure if it's the inside or the outside, which is which, but you get the type that's like the Reese's, and then you get the type that tastes just like straight up natural peanut butter. I love that it's not super sweet.
It's just the right amount.
Yeah, it is. It's like peanut butter without gumming up your mouth completely. Like if you took a teaspoon of peanut butter right out of the jar, kind of like that in terms of flavor, but without sealing your mouth shut.
It's so smooth in your mouth.
Yeah. This is a absolute winner. If you love peanut butter,
It's so good.
Good job, ChocZero. All right, the double dipped almonds. Serving size is 1 ounce. It says, all right, let me just open this and see what they look like. So they come in packs of 2.
Kind of weird that, and that's, wait, it says 8 servings per container?
3.5 servings.
Oh,
This is
okay,
really
so-
odd. Why not just make a serving a packet? 5, what do you got, 10? 10 packets?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's a little bit weird.
Yeah, and how do you
So-
wait? And then 10 divided by 3.5 is
it doesn't work
it's
out.
not a whole number.
Yeah. I don't know why they did that. So yeah, I guess the serving size would be pretty close to 6. And I don't know that I would eat 6. But that's just me. Anyhow, total carbs, 14 grams. Dietary fiber, 11 grams. So I don't know if for sweeteners, if they're using, what do they got?
Monk fruit.
Monk fruit? Any allulose in there?
Nope.
All right, so you're looking at 3 net grams of carbs for about 6 of them.
It looks like they kind of took soluble corn fiber out of their.
Yeah, it's not
Ingredients.
in this either. Instead, they're using the non-GMO resistant dextrin,
yeah,
which
that's their new thing.
is just a different form of fiber.
Thank you.
You're welcome. These are also very good.
Strong coconut flavor.
It is, and the
like it.
texture, yeah, the coconut flavor is perfect. I kind of like the slightly grittier shaved coconut, like in a Mounds almond joy bar.
You didn't get the like shredded
I didn't.
pieces?
I didn't feel like I got a whole lot of shredded pieces.
But you got a little bit, right?
A little bit, but
Well, but it's a small. It's one almond.
yeah.
They can only have so much.
Now these are a little bit sweeter.
They are pretty sweet.
It might be difficult for me to resist having a single packet. I think
You just keep popping them in.
maybe the fact that they have them in these wrapped into two per packet is sort of a mental thing or psychological thing to slow you down. Because
Right.
if it were just a bag and these were all free flowing in the bag,
I'd eat the whole bag.
I could see tearing through these. So if you've got an issue, sort of an addiction to sweets, this might be a dangerous thing for you unless, tearing open each packet wears you down and helps increase your resolve.
Or if you pack your lunch and you
Yeah.
I don't know.
What do you think?
Phenomenal.
They're good.
Very good.
I still like the peanut butter ones better.
Yeah, those were pretty awesome.
All right, do you think it's safe to go back to the peanut butter
Yes.
chips? Okay, because I really want to save
that.
this white chocolate and Nutella sort of stuff for the end. So the true test of these are going to be when we bake with them. How well do they hold up? How well do they hold their shape? And what do they bring in terms of flavor? Total carbs, 8 grams. Dietary fiber, 7 grams for a net 1 gram of carbs. Serving size, 60 pieces.
I
So
wonder what the size is of the.
I don't know. I mean, it says four servings in this packet, so that's a lot, in my opinion. That is.
14 servings per.
Oh, that's what it says.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well then, disregard.
Okay.
Ingredients again, pretty much the same thing across the board. So we do have peanut flour, the non-GMO resistant dextrin. There's some Madagascar bourbon vanilla beans. That's sort of exciting. The usual fats. Monk fruit, sunflower lecithin. So slightly smaller than your standard chocolate chip.
Yep. They're not the color I expected them to be.
Yeah, they're not as brown
Yeah.
as I expected. But that means they didn't add any extra coloring or anything. This has a little bit more of a roasted peanut flavor. It's still peanut butter, but it also kind of reminds me of roasted peanuts,
Yeah, it does have a little.
which I like. I'm excited now to put those in a cookie.
Those are good. Not as crunchy as I like. I like crunchy chocolate.
Okay, but this isn't chocolate.
Oh, yeah,
You're
it's
talking about
peanut
like when you have chocolate chips,
Yeah,
you like
yeah.
them to have a little bit of a,
Crunch.
not just all squishy. All right, so we had a little bit of oil separation. I'll kind of stir that in as best as I can here. What would you say the consistency of this is like? It's a little thinner.
Yeah, it's thinner than their chocolate one.
I don't know what I'd compare this to. It's sort of like if you just made frosting and it hasn't quite set yet.
Yeah, it's still kind of warm.
Yeah. Very buttery, I think.
So delicious.
I don't like it as much as the regular chocolate one.
Really? I think I actually like it more.
It's got almost, would you say maybe a little bit of butterscotch
Yeah.
sort of taste to it?
I feel like I need another. I'm gonna just...
Use the back end so you're not double dipping.
Yeah, it does have a little butterscotchy caramel. It's sweet. I like the way it feels in my mouth.
I like it, but I don't completely love it. I loved the other one, the chocolate hazelnut. That was pretty much a dead ringer for Nutella or Nutella. But this, I don't know, I feel like I want to have this on a graham cracker.
Ooh, that'd be good.
And that is not something I can eat when I'm on keto. So it has me craving something I shouldn't eat, which maybe makes this a trigger food for me. And I don't have many trigger foods. So, wow. I think we are 4 for 4 on products from ChocZero
Yeah,
today.
that was a big win.
That doesn't happen often. And the only reason I'm not in love with this, I think, is because I could see that being a trigger food for me. So, great stuff.
Yeah, I'm excited to see what else like ChocZero makes up in the future because, I mean, this was good.
And I'm pleased if this whole getting away from the soluble corn fiber. I hope that's a thing for them because it does seem to impact some people. Mm-hmm. But anyhow, I will include a link to ChocZero along with a coupon code that is good not just for these 4 products, but for all the products on their website. I will put that down in the description below. I think that's it.
All right. See you next time.
Thanks for watching.